tested multiple AI tools trying to create clean, usable clip art that actually has the potential to perform well on Etsy, but most of them failed. The designs were either inconsistent, low quality, or just not suitable for selling. But then I found one AI tool that made the entire process simple and consistently produces high-quality, sellable results that actually attract attention. And the best part, I used the same platform to easily make everything print-ready. No complicated editing, no advanced design skills. So without wasting any time, let's get started. After testing multiple AI platforms, I came across one called Print KKKI AI. What stood out immediately was not only the quality of the results, but how easily the platform could reproduce a consistent design style, similar to what top-performing listings are already using. The process itself is very straightforward. You take a screenshot of a strong-performing design, upload it into the platform, and the AI analyzes the visual style from the reference image. From there, it generates new designs that follow the same aesthetic, without you having to guess prompts or manually recreate the look. Before diving fully into the design process with PrintKK AI, it's important to evaluate the market and confirm which clip art styles are currently performing well. To speed this up, I used Allora. Instead of manually opening dozens of listings, Allora allows you to quickly compare performance data and spot patterns more efficiently. Once the Allora browser extension is installed, its icon appears on Etsy listings and along the side of the screen. I searched for the keyword I was interested in, and from the results, I could click the Allora icon to view performance insights for each listing. Even better, using the side panel lets you filter listings to quickly identify which designs are performing best and when they were first listed. Using this approach, I found a clip art design titled Whimsical Rabbit Clip Art Peeking Easter Bunny Graphics. This simple seasonal design has had good impression in the last 24 HRS, which indicates strong interest. It also carried the bestseller badge, and when checking the reviews, I noticed that feedback was still recent, confirming that buyers are actively engaging with this style. One thing I noticed, however, is that the listing is offered strictly as a digital product. While digital downloads are great, they often rely on volume. A more flexible approach is applying the same design to a physical product. This allows you to reach both digital and physical product buyers within the same store, creating more opportunities from a single design. The good part is that you don't need inventory or shipping logistics to do this. A platform like PrintKK handles the entire fulfillment process for you. With PrintKK, creating physical products is simple and beginner-friendly. The platform provides access to a wide range of white label items, including apparel, accessories, and home decor, which you can customize with your own designs without upfront stock or storage requirements. PrintKK also integrates smoothly with popular online store platforms. Once your store is connected, your designs sync automatically. When a customer places an order, PrintKK takes care of printing, packaging, and shipping directly to the customer. This allows you to focus on design creation and store optimization while the fulfillment process runs in the background. Now, to create a clip art design inspired by this trend using AI, I use PrintKK AI. After creating an account, I click Start Free AI Trial. Since this system works using image-to-image generation, I needed a reference image. I went to Etsy, captured a screenshot of a trending floral clip art design, and uploaded it into the AI platform. Next, I selected the second AI model because it allows custom prompt input and similarity control. This gave me flexibility to guide the result while still maintaining the original style reference. After that, I entered my prompt using this format. In a white background, imagine a peeking bunny sitting inside a colorful Easter basket, surrounded by pastel eggs and soft green grass. Playful, whimsical spring vibe in a watercolor art style. Once I was done, I slightly lowered the reference similarity so the design would stay inspired by the original style without duplicating it. Then I set the aspect ratio to 1 since this version is intended for clip art. After generating the image, this was the result. As you can see, it reflects a similar visual style while remaining clearly original. Tools like this make the design process more flexible and efficient. If you'd like to explore more clip art ideas like this, I've created a free prompt list that you can use. You'll find the link in the description below. And a special thank you to my Patreon supporters for supporting this tutorial. Now, to prepare the design for physical products, let's move over to PrintKK. Before anything else, you'll need to connect your online store. To do that, click on Store, select Etsy, and follow the prompt to grant access. Once approved, your store will be connected. After that, go to the product section and choose any white label item you'd like to use. For this example, I selected a product that fits the clip art design well. Once the product is selected, upload your design into PrintKK and adjust the placement so it fits properly within the print area. When everything looks good, you can either publish it directly to your store or save it and go to My Designs to fine-tune the product details inside PrintKK. If you'd like more guidance on writing writing product descriptions inside PrintKK. I have other tutorials on my channel that walk through the process step by step. I hope this video helped you see how AI tools can simplify the creative process and how a single clipart design can be adapted into different product formats. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.